Hi, welcome to my channel Trendy Hobbies. As I promised in my last video, I am going to show you how to make quick and easy curries with curry masala. Curry masala link is given in the description box. Brinjal curry masala. Clean the brinjal, cut into pieces and keep it in a salt water. As I mentioned, salt water does not allow brinjal to change its color. On a high flame, keep pan, add oil and turmeric powder. After the oil is heated, add brinjal. After 2 minutes, add salt and tamarind juice. Close the lid. Cook it for 5 minutes on high flame. Now reduce the flame and cook for 10 more minutes. Keep mixing occasionally. Now add curry masala to it and mix well. Brinjal curry is finished. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve it. Cluster beans curry. On the high flame, keep pan, add oil, turmeric powder. When oil is heated, add chopped garlic, chopped ginger and mix it for 2 minutes in a low flame. Now add chopped tomatoes and fry it for 2 more minutes. Add salt, dry mango powder and give a nice stir. After 2 minutes, add cluster beans, water and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Mix it occasionally to avoid stickiness to pan. After 5 to 6 minutes, add curry masala, water and mix it. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. That's it, curry is ready. Take it in a serving bowl, garnish with coriander leaves and serve. Tindura curry. Heat the pan on low flame, add oil and turmeric powder. When oil is hot, add chopped tindura, salt, dry mango powder and stir it. Close the lid and cook on a low flame for at least 6 to 7 minutes. Mix it in between. After 7 minutes, add curry powder and water and stir it well so that powder and tindura mixes well. Close the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. Curry is ready. Serve it with chapati or rice. Onion curry. Take a pan and heat it in a low flame. Add oil, turmeric powder. When oil is heated, add onion slices to it and fry it well. Now add dry mango powder, salt to it and cook it for 8 to 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, add curry masala. If you like the curry in dry condition, you can finish the process and serve. Else, add some water and cook for 2 more minutes. Serve it hot with chapati or rice. Potato masala curry. Here I have a pan. In this I am taking oil. Once the oil is heated, we will add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, gram dal, red dry chilies, curry leaves and temper it. Add chopped garlic and ginger. Chopped onion and fry until golden brown. Add tomatoes, salt and cook until tomatoes become soft. After few minutes, add chopped potatoes and give it a nice stir. Close the lid and cook it for 8 to 9 minutes. Mix it occasionally to avoid stickiness. After 8 minutes, add curry masala and give a nice stir. Add water and cook for 5 to 6 minutes in a low flame. Potato masala curry is ready. Take it in a serving bowl and garnish with coriander leaves. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon to get more updates.